Hello there everybody, this is CP666 with you, and today we are going to be upgrading the memory in the T500. And we're not just going to be upgrading the memory in the T500, we're going to be doing it in HD. So first, what you want to make sure to do is you want to unplug all of your USB devices or anything else that you happen to have plugged in. Then we're going to unplug it here. And also, before we start, we'll actually flip the machine around first, being gentle. Which is obviously a term that we need to use. Now keep in mind that I'm doing this without any means of guidance. I'm just doing this based on what I know from the T61. And that is that any screw that is labeled with the little memory symbol, which is that right there. I don't know if you can see it. I'll post a photo of it later on my website so you can go and take a look at it. But we need to remove all of those screws. That's the first point of business. Which is what we'll do. Do it carefully. This is the first time it's ever been taken apart. Okay, so this next part I'm going to need two hands for, so I'll put you down right here. Stay up. It'll probably end up falling. Oh, we also want to unplug the battery power here. That was the other thing that I wanted to do. So take the battery out. Because the last thing we want to do is power it on when we're changing memory. So we'll just put that there. Flip this around, being careful not to lose any screws. It's probably bound to happen anyways. Oh my gosh, my table is a giant mess. So that's another thing that I'm going to need to deal with. There's one. And I blocked the other one from falling out. Come on. Really? Don't do this to me. There we go. So there's all four screws out. Now we can take the machine. I almost dropped it there. That would have been a disaster. Let's push it back again, being careful so as to not do anything stupid. I'm on something. What am I on? It's probably something stupid, I'm sure. And we are going to, can you see what I'm doing here? We're going to ever so carefully lift up these because we actually have fingerprint sensor installed here. Be careful. Don't know what it's stuck on, but it's stuck on something. Something over here. Did I miss a screw? Yeah. Just a second. Alright, so we got it off without breaking anything, so that's all good. And as sorry about that, my camera decided to be an idiot and stop recording for over some internet add-on that I don't want and will never ever get. So I don't know why it doesn't just shut up about it. We have a stick of memory here. This is a 1RX8 PC3 8500. Actually, this is DDR3 memory and I don't have any of this. Oops. Well, actually, I suppose that'll teach me to start doing this beforehand. The only memory I have lying around is DDR2. This is DDR3. So I'm going to have to go and get some of this. So I will definitely post a follow-up to this video later. Well, hey, everybody makes mistakes, do they? Don't they? Yes, they do. But it has two 1GB DDR3 sticks in it. I believe it's... I'll have to look up what exactly this is. Maybe the stick below it tells me. Out comes. Maybe it'll say on the back here. PC3 8500. CL7. I don't see anything about it. But this is a Lenovo stick. I believe they both are. But I didn't realize that it uses DDR3 memory. Now I do. Well, I suppose I didn't do as much research as I thought I had. Now I look like an idiot. Isn't that nice?